The Mongol Empire, established by Genghis Khan in 1206, launched a series of devastating wars and conquests that created the largest contiguous empire in history. These campaigns, which continued into the 14th century, stretched from East Asia to Eastern Europe, leaving a profound mark on the conquered territories. A pivotal and particularly brutal chapter of the Mongol conquests was the invasion of the Khwarazmian Empire, which included present-day Iran, from 1219 to 1221. This was followed by further campaigns that led to the establishment of the Ilkhanate in Persia, the invasion of the Khwarazmian Empire. The initial trigger for the invasion was the execution of Mongol envoys and merchants by the governor of the Khwarazmian city of Otra. In response, Genghis Khan unleashed a full-scale invasion in 1219, leading a massive army that systematically conquered the major cities of the empire. Key events and battles: fall of major cities such as Bukhara, Samarkand, and the capital, Gurganj, were besieged and sacked. The Mongols employed brutal tactics, including the use of prisoners as human shields and widespread massacres. Flight of the Shah. The Khwarazmian ruler, Shah Muhammad II, fled and was pursued by Mongol generals Jebe and Subutai. He eventually died on an island in the Caspian Sea. Resistance of Jalal al-Din, the Shah's son, Jalal al-Din Mangburni, continued to resist the Mongols, achieving a notable victory at the Battle of Pawan in 1221. However, he was ultimately defeated at the Battle of the Indus. Subsequent Mongol campaigns in Persia. After the initial invasion, the Mongols continued to assert their dominance over the region. Destruction of the assassins in 1256. Hulagu Khan, a grandson of Genghis Khan, led a campaign to destroy the Nizari Ismaili state, also known as the Assassins, and their mountain fortress of Alamat. Sack of Baghdad in 1258. Hulagu's forces besieged and destroyed Baghdad, the capital of the Abbasid Caliphate, a major event in Islamic history. Establishment of the Ilkhanate. Following these conquests, Hulagu Khan established the Ilkhanate, a Mongol dynasty that ruled over Persia for nearly a century. Consequences of the Mongol invasions. The Mongol invasions had a devastating and long-lasting impact on Persia. Widespread destruction and depopulation. The invasions were marked by immense destruction of cities, irrigation systems, and centers of learning. The population of Persia is estimated to have declined significantly due to massacres and famine. Cultural and scientific decline. The destruction of libraries and the killing of scholars led to a decline in cultural and scientific pursuits. However, some scholars who fled to other regions helped to preserve and transmit knowledge.